I feel like life is a bit messy. Like it's when it starts to be that time where like everyone is doing different things. Like some people literally cannot find a job, some people are working in retail, others have gone like straight into a grad job. Like everyone is doing different things and it's a bit weird. And I also feel like, especially if you go straight into like a full-time like 9 to 5 job, it's weird because obviously at uni, like you had so much freedom to like have your own schedule, like wake up when you want, like revise when you want, like lectures are not every single day kind of thing. So I feel like it was a weird adjustment. Also people that have like moved back home from uni as well, that's kind of like another adjustment. But I feel like it's a bit of a weird time kind of just figuring out like what you're gonna do for your life, because it's like shit, uni's done, education's done, like what now? So yeah,
And what advice would you give to students about to graduate?
I'd say students about to graduate start applying for jobs because it usually takes longer than you think. But at the same time, don't put pressure on yourself. Like some people will find jobs very quickly and others won't. Like I feel like if you don't have to start working straight away, like if you're someone who can live comfortably for a little bit, there's no rush. You have your whole life to work. And just give yourself time to adjust. Don't look at what someone else got a grad job really quickly. Like that's their life kind of thing. Just focus on yourself and figuring out what you actually really want to do because it might not be related to your degree at all. So